Okay, so let's see how the LRU page replacement algorithm works for page replacement. It's a page replacement algorithm. LRU stands for least recently used. Namely, we will replace if we need, if the memory is full, the pages that are least recently used. Namely, they were used the most remote time from now. So let's start this animation and show how it works. We have those pages in memory, and those pages we need to load them into memory, which is these 3 places for the memory. And we start with 7, so let's start the animation. And okay, so we take 7. Now the memory is empty, so we can just put inside 7. We don't need to replace anything because the memory is not full. We have empty places. Now 0, again, we have an empty place, we can just put it inside. Now 1, the same thing, we have an empty place, we can just put it inside. Now the next one is 2. Now which one of them was most remotely used? This one, or least recently used, this one will be taken out. Now 7 was the one that was most remotely used, because 0 we took it just before 1 turn, and 1 we use this just now. So we'll take to insert, we need to insert now 2, but the memory is full, so we will take off 7. So let's see how it works. So you see that we changed the 7 with the 2. Now we will need to enter 0, but we have 0. It also means that we are using this 0, so 0 will be very recently used. Now we will get to 3. Now 0 was just used now. It wasn't replaced because we have it, but it was used. 2 was used in the previous turn, but 1 was used just here. So we will change the 1 with the 3 again, because 1 was least recently used. Now we have 0. Again, we have a hit, and we have this 0 right over here. We won't change anything, but it means that 0 is used now. Now 4, again, 0 was just used, 3 was entered just now, just previously, so 4 and 2 will be changed. Now we have 2 will be changed with this one again, because this was least recently used. 0 was here, 4 was here, so we will change the 2 with the 3. And we continue just like this. Now we'll change the 0. Now for 0 we'll change the 2 was entered here, 4 was entered here, and 3 was entered here. So 2 and 3 was most recently used, 4 no, so 0 will take the place of the 4. And we continue like this to to get the end result of this one. And this is an animation that shows you how the idea of the least recently used algorithm works when you have memory that has a finite space, and you need to, every time you get a new page, to decide which page to take out. In this algorithm, you will take out the least recently used page, as we just did. Thank you very much, and that's it.